Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell. Clixtell's cutting-edge solutions. Clixtell is a software-as-a-service company that provides advanced solutions for businesses and digital marketing agencies, specializing in detecting and preventing invalid click activity in Google Ads and Bing Ads campaigns and call tracking services. Clixtell suits all types of clients. We provide custom-made solutions for digital marketing agencies, as well as to small businesses worldwide. Our cost-effective and flexible plans are designed to suit all customers according to their specific demands and needs and to their field of expertise. Clixtell's advanced tools. Clixtell's advanced tools for online advertising in the digital era have brought its global reputation as a constantly growing and improving company that strives to provide a safe and transparent advertising experience for all businesses and agencies. The company helps to optimize and protect PPC campaigns, track calls, increase sales and profit, and improve customer retention. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.